Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could easily convert any Word document to any other format which you want for. So to begin, go to your browser and type Calibre. Click on calibre-ebook.com and here we'll be clicking download Calibre. At this stage, you will need to download and install this little software and it doesn't require much space. Just click on it. Click download Calibre 64 if you are a Windows user, or the other versions for Mac and for Linux. Once done, you will need to install this software as you install any other software in your computer. And once the installation is completed, just open your browser. As a next step, we will locate our document and we will click and drop drag inside Calibre. The system will start reading your document and it will prompt you to the next options. Click on the document in the middle and select Convert individually. At this stage, the system automatically identified the Word version if it's saved under doc or docx, and here we want to select the output format. At this stage, we can select FB2 if you wish, or any other format. You can change the details, add tags, series, etc. And once done, you can hit OK. Here you will see jobs 1 in the right and the bottom, and you will need to wait until it turns into 0. Once done, click on your document, select Save to Disk in a single folder, locate the folder accordingly, name your document, and click Select Folder. As you can see, it has automatically saved a document with .fb2 and 2 additional documents. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.